Jump, baby, jump.
Get ready to get it. Sorry.
Jump. Jump.
Careful, you're too close to the edge.
Hold it up.
Hold it up. Hold it up.
Give it to her. Give it to her,
Do
sweetie.
this. Look, Carly. Like this.
Well, I don't want to.
Okay,
You don't
well,
want to hold it?
let Destin hold it then.
Here, Destin, you hold it.
Hold it tight. Two hands.
Still chewing something.
You.
Two hands.
She got something out of the bucket and she was chewing it.
You both can hold it.
You.
No, Carly, it's no big deal. There, she spit it out finally. You can do it next, Carly.
No, I
She's
don't
taking
want
it now. You don't want to bottle feed the goat? She's just a baby. That's why she has to drink out of the
Destin, you're
bottle.
doing a really,
Onto it tight.
you're doing a good job.
They hammer that bottle hard whenever they think they need more milk out of it.
I like it.
Yeah.
That's a bottle.
Look at you, you're a professional.
Because I'm a dog.
I told you he'll be here when you're done. He'll be there when we get done.
I'll still play on here.
Well, you can still play on here.
Mom.
You like this? I told you the teeter-totter'd be fun.
Look at me. Are you having fun?
You gotta look at Kathy. Smile.
I'm doing video right now.
Oh, awesome. Look here. Everyone, 1, 2, 3, cheese!
Blue light.
Red light. Freeze! Look up! Freeze! She's always looking down.
Okay, be silly. Be silly and weird. That's silly and weird. Go
You're
blah,
so
blah, blah.
funny.
It is funny.
It's steep. You can hold on to the arm of the chair if you want to. What's she yelling at me for, big boy? She telling you off? Sweet.
Are you singing?